This red-bellied woodpecker just came and scared Red away. Brighten that up a little. Oh, it went right back to dark. Dang it. Ah, that's too light. And now you're hiding behind the pole. Come out from behind there. Just peeking around it. You playing hide and seek or peekaboo, or what exactly are you doing there? Man, I wish I had a better camera. Dang. I simply can't get anything decent of the birds, even though I'm relatively close to this bird. I'm zoomed all the way in. That's the best I can get. Hi, red-bellied woodpecker. Well, I can see you plainly. I just wanted to be able to share you with people. I can get a hint of your red crown anyway. Guess you're not hiding behind the pole now. All right.